Mayor and several city council members are calling for a large-scale evaluation of how the Austin Police Department handles sexual assault cases. That's on next week's council agenda. So this would be a third level of scrutiny of late. Recently, both APD itself and the Department of Public Safety have audited the department's policy and procedures when it comes to clearing rape cases. This latest review is the extent of what the city can control, but a big piece of the puzzle in these cases goes beyond the city's jurisdiction. They land in the hands of the Travis County District Attorney for potential prosecution. KXAN investigator Brittany Glass has some insight there and an update on our coverage of the DA's treatment of these cases. Brittany, what do you got?
Well, Sydney, the concern really is nothing new. This has been a hot topic. People around our community have been very critical because people want to make sure that people in law enforcement, they're taking this crime seriously. So you'll remember that last June, women who claim they've been victims of sexual assault filed a class action lawsuit against the city, APD, and the DA, saying that they were denied equal access to justice and protection of the law. Now, in December, the DA asked a federal judge to dismiss the lawsuit, and we just learned that ruling is still potentially a month away. The lawsuit examines numbers from summer 2016 to summer 2017. Now, in that time frame, 224 cases were referred to the DA's office, which then decided to prosecute a third of those. Now, only one went to trial and resulted in a guilty verdict. It is important to mention, though, that 25 other defendants did receive some type of punishment by either pleading guilty, guilty to a lesser charge, or guilty to a different felony.
Now, Brittany, I know in the past we have reported on an initiative that DA Margaret Moore has that she was already doing to try to clear these cases up, right?
That's exactly right. She established what's called an interagency sexual assault team. That was back in the fall of 2017, which is actually more than 6 months before that lawsuit. Now, the goal was to put area law enforcement in the same room as professionals who work to improve the sexual assault criminal investigation process, because there are a lot of moving parts from a lot of different agencies, and hopefully they can all get on the same page. Now, I just confirmed that they have met once a month since then. Now, last June, they were simply studying case examples and trying to learn why some survivors have stopped cooperating. So it's an ongoing topic that they're going to work on.
That's a lot of digesting that needs to happen. Thank you so much for doing the hard work for us, Brittany. Thank you.